Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can save your project in CapCut PC. So if you make edit in CapCut PC and after you finish editing the video, you are just going to click export button to export or save your videos. Just click on it and you can change for the title of your video of your project, and you can change for the place of your video. Just click and select folder like to save your project, and you can adjust for the resolution. So select this one, bitrate, color, format, and then frame rate. And you can also export the audio and then click format to select audio format. So and then just click export. Just wait for exporting your project. Alright, just click open folder to open your exported. Okay, that's how you can save your videos in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.